So hello guys, what's up? We are back again with another question from our series. And today's problem is closest subsequence sum. Yes. So we will be given we will be given an array and a integer goal, and we need to find minimum possible value of sum minus goal. Now sum is the sum of a subsequence. So we need to find all the subsequences, and then for all the subsequences I can find their sum and can find the absolute value of sum minus the goal which is given to us in the question, and I need to return the minimum value of this. Now, a straightforward approach is to generate all the subsequences, then find their sum, and then for all the subsequences, calculate this. So, in a nutshell, we have to do this only, but we need to do this in a very optimized manner, as that will take the time complexity that will be exponential in nature and which we can't afford, because generating all the subsequences and their sum will definitely take 2 raised to the power n time complexity, since 2 raised to power n subsets are possible or subsequences are possible for a array of size n. So we need to do what we need to do. We need to find out a way so that this can be so that we can deal with this. Now let us see what we can do. Yes. So instead of finding the subset sum of the whole array, what we can do is that we can divide the array into two parts. Yes, we can, let's say, divide the array into two parts. Now I will find the subset sums of this and this array separate. So I will have a array. I will have two arrays. This will have all the possible subset sums of this array, which will be in this case 0, 5, -7, and yeah, -7 plus 5, which is -2. Similarly, for this also, we will have all the subsets. So what we sum of subsets in an array. So what we did, we just reduced from 2 raised to the power n to 2 raised to the power n by 2. But will it help? Yes. So now next what we will do is, what we needed was, we needed this thing, sum minus goal, to be minimum of a subsequence. Now we have all the subsequence sum of half array, and in another array we have all the subsequences, sum of all the subsequences from other half array. So what we can do is, we can take any element from here. We can take a sum from here and then go on and find a sum from here, such that we will try to have this condition satisfied. What I'm trying to say is, let's say I took 0 from here, and there I will have 0, 3, 5, and 8. Okay. So I took 0 from here. Now I will take a element from here such that this will be minimum. So I will take, if I take 8, then the sum will be 0 plus 8, 8, and my goal was 6. So that is still better. So my answer will be 2. And for all the elements, I will do this work. For 5 also. So my goal is to get sum minus goal as nearer as possible. So if I take 5, then what 5 from here, then 5 plus 0 is again 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Then 8 minus goal is again absolute will be 2. And like that we can check. So 5 minus 8 will be 3, minus 3, and then minus goal will be minus 9. So like that we can check, and eventually we will get the answer as 0 in this case. Yeah. So let us now see the code implementation. It is very similar to what I have just told you. Just a second. Yeah. So we have find all sum functions which will find the sum of half the array. So we will have we are dividing the array into two parts, and then we are finding their sums separately. So we will have the sum of the arrays separately. And now what are we going to do? We are going to select one element from one subarray, which is a separate array, and then we are going to find a sum in another subarray such that this condition is satisfied. Absolute of sum minus goal is minimum. So now in order to do that, what we are doing, we are sorting the second array. Why we are sorting the second array? We are sorting the second array so that we can search for this particular condition using binary search, and which will further optimize our problem. So yeah, that's what we will do. So at this line, we have two arrays, answer 1 and answer 2, which are containing the sum of the subsets of half arrays. Okay. Yeah. So then what we are doing, then we are iterating the first array. We are taking the element. We are taking the ith element, and then we are applying a binary search on the second array. So yes, we are calculating the mid, and then in the sum, we are taking the ith element. We are taking the ith element and the mid element. And what is our target? Our target is to minimize this. Yes, we will calculate answer every time, and our target is to minimize answer, which we will initialize to int max initially, which is absolute of sum minus goal. Now, if sum is greater, this is simple binary search condition. If sum is greater than goal, then we will do a j is equals to mid minus 1. That is decrement the right pointer. And if sum is less than the goal, then we will simply do the start is equals to mid plus 1. Finally, what we will do? Finally, we will return our answer. Yes, so finally we are returning our answer. So yeah, guys, this was all from this question. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Just in case you like the video, like the question, make sure you hit the like button, press the subscribe button, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much, guys. We shall see you next time.